Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to check your Affirm loan balance. Alright, it's gonna be a really quick video. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into it. So the first step is to go to the Affirm website and to sign into your account. Now once you sign into your account, you want to click on loan details, and then you want to select the loan that you want to check the balance for. Next, you can view the current balance, and of course you can also view payment due date, and you can just review the loan details and payment history as well, and verify the loan balance is accurate. Now you can review any upcoming payments or deadline, and that's going to help you to make prompt payments. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to check your Affirm loan balance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.